Hello students, today we are going to create this object. Remember, after you create your object, you are to make your multi-view and then dimension it out. Also make sure that you are putting in the lower left hand corner here your front view. That is the view that has the most information dimension wise. In the top, you're going to put the top view. And in the lower right, you are going to put the right side view. All right, let's get started. So we're going to go up to File, New. Make sure that we are in the en-us, standard.ipt, and then click Create. We start off with a 2D sketch. XY plane, and let's pull out our rectangle. Our rectangle is 75 tab by 50. Enter. Then you can click the house to bring it into isometric view. Then we're going to go over and we are going to extrude it under 3D model. And we're going to extrude out 12. Once you have that, your block should look like this. Okay, so now we are going to cut out that notch. As you see down here on the bottom, we're going to cut that part out. So we want to begin with a 2D sketch. And we're going to use our line tool and construct. So we need to make sure that that cutout is centered and in the middle. So we need to make sure that from this side to this side, and then the middle part to the end part is even. So if we look at our 2D drawing, we know that it's going to be 25 from left to right, and then from top to bottom, it is 12 in. So let's go ahead and start in our lower right hand corner with our line on, as well as our construct tool, and we are going to come in 25 because we know that each end part is 25 and the middle is 25 because we know our length is 75, so 25 plus 25 plus 25 is 75. Click enter, and then we can click escape, turn off our construction tool, and then we're going to go to our rectangle tool. We're going to pick up where we left off from our line tool, and we're going to come over, and we know that we are 25 over, and we are 12 high. Click enter, then escape, and then we're going to go to 3D model, extrude. So we're not going to extrude out, we're going to flip it and we're going to go back because we want it cut out. Then we click OK, and there is our cutout. Perfectly spaced and even on all sides. Okay, so now we are going to do this top part here. So we're going to look here at our top view so that we can complete the top part. So we are going to start with a 2D sketch. And then we are going to put in the rectangle tool. We're going to start in the upper right hand corner. We're going to come down. Once you get your rectangle in there, let's put in our numbers. And we know that we are 20 across, and we are 25 down. Hit escape, and now we're going to extrude, and we're going to extrude that out 25. All right, once you have that in, your block is starting to take shape. Now we're going to put in this part here. It is not as hard as you think that it is. So we are going to go off of our top view here. So we need to put this line in here, and then we are going to actually flip it. We don't want to extrude it. We are going to flip it. All right, so we are going to actually work on the top view because it'll be easier to work. We're going to start 2D sketch. We're going to go and use our line tool. And we are just going to go down to 25, which is what our top is. And then we're going to come down 35. Hit enter. And then we're going to continue with our line tool, and we are just going to, like we are connecting the dots, and we're going to come up and meet that right corner where we started. Click, escape. So you should have your triangle like this. Now we're going to extrude. So we're going to go to 3D model, extrude. We want to flip this. And we know that it is 25 because that is how wide our top block is. We're going to click OK. And your object should look like this. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Have a great rest of your day.